Did you know that you can start a virtual bookkeeping business in as little as 1 week? Bookkeeping businesses provide a lot of flexibility and freedoms in your life that maybe you thought you'd never have. And it provides a steady monthly income. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to start your own virtual bookkeeping business. There's really 4 things that you have to do. Think of them as foundational things that you need in order to build your bookkeeping business on top of. Just like a house, it needs 4 corners in order to have a sturdy house. But if having your own virtual bookkeeping business does not sound like the thing for you, having your own schedule, working from home or working from anywhere you want that has internet access, just go ahead and hit that skip ads button right now. But we're going to continue on with those who want to stick around. So the impact that Bookkeeping Life has had over the last 3 years now has been really substantial. Hundreds of people start their own virtual bookkeeping business and transition from whatever it was they were doing before to having their own virtual bookkeeping business and thriving with it. So it's been really awesome for me to watch. I've been doing bookkeeping and taxes for 20 years. I've been a CPA for 20 years. And for the last 17, 18 of those years, I've been out on my own. So the 4 things you need. In my free webinar, I go into things in more detail. But this is just a general overview. Number 1 is branding. Without really effective professional branding, you can't move on to what you're really trying to do, which is get clients. And what is branding? Branding is your logo, your website. It's the first impression that you make with people and lasting impression that you make with people. And you don't get a second chance. So from the get-go, you want to have professional branding, professional logo, professional website. We have in-house designers to help you with that. The second pillar of the foundation is advertising and marketing and networking. With professional branding, you can have really effective advertising. When you give your business card out, it's got a really nice logo on it. It's professionally made. When you talk to people, you're proud about your brand, proud about yourself. People see that and gravitate towards that. They're also going to be comparing you to somebody else. You can advertise and market yourself for no out-of-pocket. There's ways to do it with spending money. There's ways to do it without spending any money. And throughout my career, I've spent very little. I've learned over the years how to advertise and market myself for free or virtually for like $5. So there's ways to do that, and I share those with you in my program. And there's also ways for introverts and extroverts. We're not all extroverts. I'm actually more introverted than I am extroverted, but people fall over the range, and some people are really extroverted, some people are really introverted. This business is for anybody. There's ways to do branding, advertising, marketing, networking, all within your comfort zone. So that's the first and second pillar to success. The third pillar is how to talk to clients. This is a big one. Talking to clients is really an art form, and it's something that people are really intimidated to do in the beginning, but then once you do it a couple times, it's really easy. And I help you with all that. I teach you how to take that first call, what to say to them, the questions to ask them, the information you want to gather from them, to know what their situation is, if you need to go back in time and recreate things, if you need to clean up something, determining their starting point. All of that is really important information that you have to gather during an initial phone call, or that can be done through email as well, or in person. Talk about all that, the whole client piece, because people say, how do you get clients? And it's really a culmination of all these other things, professional branding, so that you can advertise correctly, you're getting in front of the right people, clients that you want to have, and then knowing how to talk to them. So there's a fear of failure in there, there's imposter syndrome in there, and I talk about all that stuff in detail in the program. So that's 1, 2, and 3, the pillars of your foundation. And then the 4th one is learning QuickBooks. If you don't have any QuickBooks experience, that's okay. Within the program, we have a QuickBooks Online course that we teach that gives you all the foundation of QuickBooks Online specifically. And we don't overwhelm you with too much QuickBooks. There's a lot there that you could learn, but the whole point of Bookkeeping Life is to get you up and running, getting you that first client quickly. So we teach you how to get an easy first client, not a difficult first client or a high-end first client. You want easy clients in the beginning, because we want to get you in the game, and once you're in the game, then you're going to start learning things rather quickly, and you're going to be able to expand your client base to more difficult clients over time. In that QuickBooks course, we teach you the foundations that you need to know in order to get those first easy clients. And we don't overwhelm you with too much information. We give you just enough information to where you can feel confident and knowledgeable enough to get that first client. All right, so that is the 4 pillars to starting your very own virtual bookkeeping business.